this is Master Billy, and today's tutorial will be about the spinning hook kick, which is a very important basic kick for the 540-degree spinning hook kick. Okay guys, before we do the spinning hook kick, we will just go over the hook kick first. You start with your chest, body facing the side, put your kicking leg, the front leg up to the side. When you put your knee up, make sure your knee is pointing 90 degrees and make sure the bottom of your foot is facing the front. From this position, you want to kick out 45 degrees out. And this is the important part, you need to pull your knees back without opening up your chest. So the important points here are, when you pull your knee, you need to put all your weight on this leg by pushing your supporting leg in the opposite direction. This is important so you don't fall towards your face. Your chest must face the side. If it faces the front, you will lose lots of balance. That's why it is important to keep your chest facing the side. The higher you want to kick, the lower your chest will have to be. But with the same concept, your chest is still facing the side, closed, not open, facing the front. Shifting your weight to the back. To do the spinning hook kick, start with your body facing the opposite side. You will now spin 180 degrees, and then you will insert your hook kick after the 180 spin. You want to make this look like one motion, you want to kick fast. So make sure you turn on the ball of your foot and look before you kick. Spinning hook kicks are usually kicking high, about face height, is used in sparring for mostly counter kicks. Some very common mistakes are, some of you guys try to kick out with your knee pointing up. This makes your kick go down. So it's more like a spinning axe kick. Another problem is some of you guys kick too early. If you kick too early, instead of 45 degrees forward, your kick will go down at the point of impact. Some examples of kicking early. So make sure you spin 180, put your leg up, kick 45 degrees in front. Don't rush to kick. Make sure you finish your setup, the 180 setup, before you do your kick. Okay guys, that was a short but very important tutorial on the spinning hook kick. Hope this tutorial helped you guys, and hopefully this will help you advance into the 540 spinning hook kick. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments down below. See you guys next time. Stand facing the side, 180 spin, knees up to the side, kick 45 degrees out.